Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Pearl Bath Bombs. They just sent me the June, I think it was the June at least, monthly subscription, and then not even a week later I got another box. So I guess this is the July one? Yeah, it doesn't say on the packing slip, but I'm pretty sure these were the products for the July box. So since I signed up in June, I guess they just shipped it late and then automatically sent me the July one. So this is the Kiwi Bath Bomb. Kind of interesting looking. Seems like it smells pretty good. And kind of weird that one's not in a box, but some of them are. I don't know. This one is the lemongrass one. And I don't remember if I think I did do this one before, but of course I'll do all the reveals again. That one's just plain yellow. And then we have some mini bath bombs. And I don't think this one has a ring in it, which is kind of weird. So it's the same price as Fragrant Jewels subscription. And last time I got 3 products that had all rings in them. But this time I just have this one, and then these. So kind of bummed that there's not a ring in here, but maybe nice to have many bath bombs. Definitely give them to the kids to use. So that's what came in my July subscription. Like I said in my last video, I'll probably get a couple of these just to try it out. But other than that, yeah, stay tuned to see the ring reveals. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.